Hey guys, I have to tell you that we had so many funny moments during the making of Suicidal Thoughts and their remedies. So why not share with you guys? Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I've come up with a new video. So today I've come up with a video, Suicidal Thoughts and their remedies behind the scenes. And if you have not watched the original video, I've given the link in my description box below. So have a look. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I come up with a new video. Nàng kia thì có là bà chủ ấy thăng tờ vì năng đấy lò सीधा lilang pahir para bor to to non phải chọc chết nàng kinh chết rồi có lạc tan mà nó đi hay giặc là rồi mà. And this is how I dress up behind the scenes. And this is how it looks like without sound effects. Amade! Hello, doctor. मिस्टर चल बकवास मुझे कुछ नहीं सुनना. How did this happen? How did this happen? How did this happen? How did this happen? No, nothing happened in school. Today I was distributing paper. Hello? Yeah. Students, your maths result is out. Students, your maths result is out. And congratulations, Bablu? Nào không, đừng đi. Chị Long nè. Thank you for watching the full video. Bye bye.